everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Sumaya Belim. In the previous video, I've already explained you about what is the meaning of decimal fractions. And in the last video, I've explained you how to convert a decimal into a fraction and how to convert a fraction into a decimal using a teaching aid called the converter. Now today, let us highlight more on the other topic, you can say the decimal fractions. So what are we waiting for? Let's zoom into today's teaching aid. This is a unique ruler, students, as it consists of decimal numbers as well as its conversion in fraction. Using this ruler, students, you will be actually observing and understanding that each number, how it will be written in the decimal form as well as in the fraction form. So let's begin with the first one. Here you can observe, here it is 0. In 0 will be called 0 whether it is decimal or in fraction. Next, 0.1 in decimal, you convert it in a fraction, it will become 1 upon 10. Similarly, once you go further, like 0.5. 0.5 in decimal, you are going to convert, you are going to get 5 upon 10. Let's see the fraction now. The fraction 9 upon 10 in decimal will become 0.9. Similarly, the next one, 1.0. 1.0 in decimal, when you convert into fraction, it will be 1. Let's move further. 1.3 in fraction form will be 13 upon 10. Similarly, fraction 17 upon 10 in decimal will be 1.7. Decimal 2.0 in fraction will be actually 2 upon 1, and 2 upon 1 is nothing but 2. 26 upon 10. 26 upon 10, when you convert into decimal, it will become 2.6. 3.0 in fraction will become 3 upon 1, that is 3. And last example, 33 upon 10 in decimal will be 3.3. So I have made this ruler, or you can say a ruler of decimal and fraction, so that the child who has not understood, he will actually understand that they are interrelated. You can easily convert a fraction into a decimal, and you can easily convert a decimal into a fraction. And here, how we can convert a decimal number into a whole number. Actually, you will observe it is 2, but we know that in the denominator is going to be 2 upon 1, but we denote it as 2. So I hope by this simple way of making this ruler, this important concept of conversion of decimal into fraction and fraction into decimal is clear in your mind. See you all with the next interesting and innovative teaching aid. Thank you.